Nah, bro, we did ass.
No,
We
I think
won like
you
2
did
games.
ass.
I think it just felt
We
bad
did
because like,
good.
Fuck you. Alright?
is
I'll
it?
shit on you.
What are we doing? What are we doing, guys?
I'm off.
Yeah,
I'm
that
looking
was
at
we
texts
were
and
getting off. I'm
stuff.
getting on Starfield.
Alright.
I got a purple.
Sure.
It ain't Black Ice though.
It's a Mozzie helmet I already had.
At the end of the season, you also get a Delta point or whatever the fuck it's called. That
Nope,
way you
not
can
anymore.
choose. Really?
Yep. I found out
Yeah.
the hard way.
Yeah, he was crying about it a couple Wait, wait.
You know what, Bray? Next time you ask for a fifth, I'm gonna tell you to go fuck yourself.
What if he
What if
isn't
we
in the stack,
ask?
and then
Then
you
he
join,
joins.
and
You
then
know,
he is in the stack?
y'all sure do love
And
to
then
give me
I'm
crap.
leaving.
I
That's
give
mean.
Cam
That's very
crap
Or-
rude of
one
you.
time.
That's
Or,
fucked up.
or I'm TKing Bray the
Bah.
first round.
Yeah, you couldn't
every
get it
game.
too if you tried, buddy.
That would be
I'm
hilarious.
taking your head off. But you could
Yeah,
I
try.
you
would
wanna
actually
try?
like to
You
see
wanna
that.
try me right now?
Sure. Let's run it, Cam, for him. Let's do it. You gonna run it?
I'm loading it up.
Check your matches
Are you
played in ranked.
actually? I gotta see this shit. I gotta watch this.
Oh, I zoomed off that game, but
Oh.
send me an invite to the lobby so I can watch.
Damn. I want to see this.
Cam, you really want 1v1 me on your day you're doing the worst?
Yeah.
Shit. Damn.
Are we being
Personally?
like cordial or like should I tell you
Personally,
how
I wouldn't
bad you
let
are
that shit slide.
and like how easy this is gonna be?
Let me go get some snacks for this
Wait,
show.
I'm nervous. Are we playing any roles outside of what the thing already does?
I don't care.
You playing
Yeah.
Legion? You own me. Cam hasn't played Ying since the Renaissance, bro.
Op 4 located a bomb. Protect it.
Eh.
Op 4
Duh.
eliminated.
You got dunked on Cam.
I was expecting him to still be in the corner.
Ooh, nice ban, nice ban. I agree with that one, Cam. I think that's a good one.
That's also a good one. We're dumb, bro.
Good shit, Cam. That was a really good ban. Ooh, I like the pick, Cam. I do like the pick.
Hey, what do you think about my pick?
Man, it could be better.
Alright. What do you think I should have picked instead? Maybe Ace or something?
I think if you went 2 rows up
We need to locate a
and
bomb.
3 to the right, you'd have been perfect. As a matter of fact, next attack, do that.
Seconds.
I didn't drone anything yet.
5 seconds.
Hold on.
Bomb has been located.
I love the shots, Brady.
Mmm.
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 Placement.
Oh, get in there, boy. Yeah, you do that. You do that.
Uh-oh. Like the plays, Brady? Like the plays?
We have been eliminated.
Dumped on. That's not how you do it. Ooh, Braden, I do agree with this ban.
I didn't even collect any money yet.
Bro, excellent ban. Ooh, I like the pick. I like the pick. It's not as good, Cam, but it'll do. Ooh. Now this one right here. Okay, what the fuck are we doing?
Is this default thing? I forgot the secondary.
Who cares? You be alright.
Protect the left.
Okay, y'all can't like have TikToks on while we're
Surveillance
playing
on
money.
bomb. Op 4 has it
Okay,
secured.
y'all can't like have TikToks on.
Ooh, I like this play, Cam. I love it. I love it, actually. It's really good. You won't expect it. Yep. That's exactly what I would do. Oh, that's not what I would do. You lost me, but you got me now, Cam. Yep. Yep. You know what to do, Cam. Oh yeah, bro. I love this angle. I love this angle. Another perfect play, Cam.
Op 4 has located a bomb. You know what to do.
Oh my god.
That was a close one, Cam.
That was close as shit.
Did he stop calling me?
Hawk him down, boy.
Oh.
Op 4 eliminated. Mission
That's
successful.
how you do it, son.
Bro, that flash hit me in the forehead. I'm not joking.
I didn't even see you swing.
I have that effect on people.
Brayden, go from the last guy you played, 2 rows up, 3 people to the right.
This?
Yeah. Is that 2 rows up, 3 people to the right?
You're just like saying stuff now?
Is it? I don't know.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, let's try it. I think you got it, Brayden.
I think he should go one down.
That's. I don't have that operator. No, can't do buckaroo. Y'all don't know what my ops are. You're just saying stuff.
We need to locate a
Now
bomb.
y'all got me on like this. Like what?
No, Brayden, I think you got it for real. We don't get to play against them enough, so Cam's gonna be bamboozled by it.
Alright. Alright, okay. Go with that.
Let's go check on our other young. Ooh, he has no idea, Brayden. Go for it.
You have located a bomb.
What the?
He said that's not good. The kid damn near killed himself.
Uh-oh. Does he use his gadget again? Find out next week on Rainbow Six Siege.
Damn.
Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission
This is actually a
successful.
good game.
This is a pretty good game. Especially I got some Jack and Dr. Pepper mix.
Is this a crazy pig?
Be advised, Op 4 has found a bomb.
Hello?
Coughing baby.
10
hydrogen
seconds.
bomb.
Insertion.
Are you in, Daddy? Whoa,
About
whoa,
to
whoa,
be
whoa,
in you.
whoa. Whoa, whoa, we're like taking sight and stuff. I'm like still setting up. Can you give me like 30 seconds?
He said, "Can you give me like 30 seconds?"
Gotta itch my
The
nose.
fuck?
Cam, wait, is
Uh-oh.
it truce or no?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Cam's in a bit of a pickle. Cam is so locked right now.
Cam is barricaded. You can't go that way. Alright. Uh-oh, you're weak.
Ooh.
Oh.
God
Oh,
damn
that
it.
way.
Mission successful.
Damn it.
Brayden, you got a showboat now. He was talking all that shit.
Does
Nah,
it
was a
start
fluke.
now?
was a fluke.
Oh, run it back, run it back.
I'm running to bed.
Nah,
Let y'all
Brayden, run
want
it
it.
back.
That's what a
Yo.
pussy does.
Y'all want us to play again?
Yep.
Yes.
I'm
Bro,
tired,
tomorrow's
boss.
the weekend. You're fine.
No, Cam, not that one.
No.
Brayden, you either. That's a shitty band.
Whatever, dude. Y'all fear me on the Legion. How
Is
much?
this cringe?
I didn't even pay attention.
I fear no man.
Do it.
Located a bomb.
Wait, I forgot main breach. Cam, don't breach it. Don't breach it.
Cam, he's nowhere near. You're good.
Uh-oh. Hold on, I'm about to get right now.
Cam, do it. You're in the clear, Cam.
Don't forget I own you, Cam.
Uh-oh.
Hold on, let me turn off the Spanish music.
Why's it gotta be Spanish?
That's what it was.
Op 4 eliminated. Mission
That was a really good
successful.
play, Bray.
Thank you.
Alright, what up, bitch? Fucking.
Bro, why are you shaking your head like you're better than me?
I mean,
don't know,
this past
5-1?
game kind of proved it, Cam.
How many rounds do you think you get this game?
Bro, why you banning Vigil, huh? You
Score
scared?
prediction, score prediction. Because you could get a lucky headshot with that. You gotta like use your
Lucky headshot,
running with everybody
bro.
else.
It's a boss G. You just nail him.
No, no, it's not.
I hear you.
Insertion in 10 seconds.
Cam, don't try nothing slick, okay?
Cam, what should know I'm rooting for you.
Bruh.
Op
That's
4
unfortunate.
eliminated.
Oh gosh. Cam, where does Darth Vader go to buy shoes?
What?
The Darth Maul.
Shut up.
That's such a shitty joke. That's so dumb, bro.
Bro, are you a dad? Because that's a fucking dad joke.
Go ahead and reinforce it, boy.
10 seconds.
Yeah, bitch. Yeah.
Be advised, Op 4 has found a
Listen,
bomb.
I didn't
5
want you
seconds
to-
and counting.
Hey Cam. How much wood would a woodchuck wood? Do you think?
Enough.
What are you doing, dude? Oh. Well, that's awkward, don't you think? Oh, come on, Cam. Still peeking, I'm still peeking, I'm still peeking.
Friendly's victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
Lucky ass bailiff shots.
No, really.
No ban?
Chat.
10 seconds.
Wait,
Seconds to go.
this would be awkward.
A bomb must be located and defused.
Where'd you go, Cam?
You know where he went.
Found ya. Hold on, Cam, I almost got it.
That black ice is clean.
It is.
I'm kids, by the way. Wait, I mean, Jim.
Secure the area.
Okay.
Keep the bombs
I was
protected.
gonna find it.
Okay.
Hostile action.
Where's your drone at? Just kidding. Did you just mess up my wall?
I don't know, swing out.
Hell yeah, Cam, you got this. Wallbang him. Wallbang him. Come on, Cam. All you need is one.
Hey, this might be the next YouTube video, Cam.
Cam, fuck him in his mouth. Do what you said you were gonna do to him. Diddy style.
What? What the?
Cam, don't let him win off time. Can't let him win off time.
There is a nitro on the breach. You cannot enter.
Down to 15 seconds. Time expires in 10 seconds. Op 4
That is
eliminated.
foul.
Mission successful.
That is foul as fuck.
Um.
What's so funny?
Hey,
Why you
another
laughing?
one? Want another one?
Was
Why the fuck are you
a,
laughing? I mean,
shall we run it back? What?
Let's go.
I am enjoying. I'm honestly enjoying this.
I hope you are.
I I am. Cause y'all both played like completely different. One goes a little more slow paced. One's like further trying to get in that mug already.
I'm impatient is the word.
Yeah, that one.
Hydrate and stretch, boys. Hydrate and stretch.
Go stretch your fucking mouth some more.
Gotta be skinny because I love calling people a fat bitch.
Yeah, it'd be hypocritical otherwise, huh?
As long as they're bigger, if they're bigger than me, then it doesn't really matter.
Well, you're a big boy.
Exactly. So if they're bigger than me, then that means. Say it with me now. Say it
Secure
with
the
me.
area. Keep the bombs
Bad.
They
protected.
a fat bitch.
Like a big mug. Can you not shoot my toes, please?
Can you answer my door, please?
Um, oh gosh. That was not the right thing. What? I'm blind, I'm full blind.
Let's go, Cam.
Aw, man.
A bomb must be located.
I
and
messed up. Hello? Oh. Where's this?
Hello.
Are you not upstairs, Cam?
We're trying to reach you for extended warranty.
Eliminated.
Damn.
Friendly mission.
You almost had him, Cam.
You still snacking on your chips, Dom?
And now I put him up.
That was a good try, Cam. I like that. I didn't have a clue you weren't up. I knew you were up, but I didn't know you were down. Let me show you how to play this boss G down the doom. Let me show you. I might try some psychotic stuff this round.
Secure the area. Keep the bombs protected.
Are you now?
Be advised. Op 4 has found a bomb. Down to 10 seconds. 5 Op 4 is located. Ready to engage.
Alright.
The bomb diffuser has been successfully deployed.
What the?
Mission failed. All friendlies have been neutralized.
So what happened to that boss G?
See how I used the boss G right there? I put it in my pocket. And then I
Oh, you didn't use it.
used the better gun.
And proceeded to miss all your shots. So instead of missing 2 shots, you decided to miss 25.
I think I just missed 2, honestly, before you blew me away. You know what? This one's for RC. Cam, are you up? I'm adjusting my class. You can tell me. Are you up?
10 seconds to insertion.
I don't know.
Located a bomb. We have been eliminated.
Cam's taking it back.
And Bray's
This is
gonna
the-
say, I let him win, I let him win.
No.
This is the Cam we needed.
I just suck. Wait, Legion's been on the board this whole time? Alright, Bubby.
Bomb located by Op 4.
No more Mr. Nice Guy.
No more Mr. Nice Guy.
Oh, I'm cooked, I think. Alright.
I might go drop buttons. There's just one chick awake at the moment, but
No, we're not RC. I'm about to get pre-fired.
for
the game. Yep. Why did I do this to myself?
You're a dumbass.
Bah.
What the fuck? That's such a dickhead move.
Oh my goodness. Can't wait to hit your air jab and lose. Where'd you shoot it at?
Oh my god.
Op 4 eliminated.
No way!
Successful.
I don't know how I didn't kill you. Where'd you shoot it at?
Bro, that what? You didn't even hit me!
Good
It was
right?
just a straight. It was just a stray bullet. Recoil saved his ass.
Why did I ban Nomad? Like, what am I doing, bro?
No, really.
I don't know. Like, bro, my brain is fried. I'm not joking. I'm cooked. I ain't coming back from this one. You ban Ash, bro? You like know me and it's annoying. Cam, I think I'm coming back actually. I'm not down till I'm out. Or whatever they say. I'm just too impatient. This stuff drives me insane. I just want to sprint at you.
I can tell.
Is my heart beating like twice the normal rate it should be?
No, it's beating slower.
What in the nerd stuff are we doing? Like, bro, what? Really? This is what we're doing?
Yeah, let's end the game, bro. Yes,
Four
sir.
neutralized. Mission
That's not
successful.
Cam. Oh, fuck you, Christ. I'm sorry, Cam. I thought you got the dub there. Oh my.
Oh my
Cam.
goodness.
You got shit on. Oh my
I
god.
was expecting him to break the Kiba barrier.
Did you look at the Nomad when I shot it over yonder? You can be honest.
I saw where one went. Yeah, the other one was on your side of the wall.
He looked at it, chat. Oh wait, I forgot about this guy. Oh yeah, you're cooked, buddy. Azumami was a good pick though. Whatever nerd angle you had there, that was working. This one thing's got me tripping you dig. This. Uh-oh.
We
So
need to
wait,
locate a bomb.
is this the final round, Kim?
I mean, technically, you're up 2.
Well, I know the series is over. The series is cooked. But does it go any further than this?
Seconds.
Depends on you.
No. I'm going to sleep. But I'm saying the
5
game.
seconds.
This game's over after this round, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your mission is
Okay,
to
okay,
locate
okay.
and defuse a bomb.
No, you got 3 more rounds.
Just need one more headshot on you, buddy.
Cam, he's pushing. He's pushing hard. Fast. He's coming for that ass.
Oh my goodness.
Op 4 eliminated.
Oh my goodness. Oh, bad aim. Oh my god.
That was just straight luck.
What are you talking about?
That was straight luck.
Chances of me being in on that side was a 33% chance.
What? I heard you reinforcing. Did he?
But I could have rotated since then.
Nasty peek.
Well, I'll catch you boys later.
GG's, Cam.